Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Delta 600 series trim kit is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for any bathroom, offering a blend of sophisticated design and robust functionality that can completely transform your shower experience, making it a centerpiece of modern home improvement projects and a testament to enduring quality and style. Number 5. Danco 10004 Trim Kit for Delta Tub and Shower. This trim kit is designed to replace various Delta tub and shower faucet series, including Monitor 1300-1400, Multi-Choice 1314, and 600 series. It's compatible with both cartridge and ball-style shower faucets, ensuring a wide range of applications. Installation is straightforward, but requires a minimum 3 to 1 2-inch wall opening for a flush fit. The included tabs and slots on the faceplate ensure proper alignment. For a quick and confident installation, utilize the BLT3D interactive instructions. These provide voice and text-guided, self-paced directions to help you complete the job efficiently. The kit comes with everything you need for replacement and installation: a metal lever handle, a clear acrylic handle, a faceplate trim, screws, adapters, and an Allen wrench. Constructed from durable plastic, acrylic, and stainless steel, this trim kit offers reliable performance. The brushed nickel finish and single-handle design provide easy water temperature adjustment and total shower control. What we like? If you're looking for maximum compatibility with various Delta faucet types, this kit is a strong contender. It offers a unique dual-handle option, providing both a metal lever and a clear acrylic handle. This makes it a great choice if you appreciate having options for both style and function in your shower. What people say? The Delta 600 series trim kit is a great option for updating your shower. It is easy to install and looks very modern. The brushed nickel finish is beautiful and resists fingerprints. Number 4. Danco 10003 Single Function Tub Trim Kit. Upgrade your shower with this versatile tub trim kit. It's designed to replace various Delta shower valve series, ensuring a perfect fit for your existing setup. This kit is compatible with both cartridge and ball-style shower faucets, including Delta Monitor and Multi-Choice series. It even works with valves that have or do not have a push-button diverter. Installation is straightforward, but ensure you have a minimum 3 to 1 2-inch opening in the wall for a flush fit. For added convenience, BLT3D interactive instructions are available. Everything you need is in the box: a metal lever handle, a clear acrylic handle, faceplate trim, screws, adapters, and an Allen wrench for a complete replacement. Constructed with durable plastic, acrylic, and stainless steel, this trim kit is built to last. The single-handle design in a chrome finish offers easy control over water temperature. What we like? For those who prefer a classic and clean aesthetic, this option with its chrome finish is ideal. It provides straightforward single-handle control for easy temperature adjustment. If you value a modern look and simple operation, this trim kit is a perfect fit for your bathroom. What people say? The Delta 600 series trim kit is a great option for updating your shower. It is easy to install and looks very modern. The brushed nickel finish is beautiful and resists fingerprints. Number 3. Delta Faucet T13691 Classic 13 Series Tub and Shower Trim. Introducing the Delta Faucet T13691 Classic 13 Series Tub and Shower Trim. This elegant piece offers a sleek chrome finish to complement any bathroom decor. Featuring a durable metal lever handle, it allows for easy adjustment of water temperature. The handle is designed for intuitive use, ensuring comfort and convenience. A non-removable red and blue marking on the escutcheon clearly indicates hot and cold settings. This ensures safe and accurate temperature selection every time. Experience the innovative Touch Clean shower head, designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. Simply wipe away mineral buildup for a consistently great shower experience. This trim includes a convenient push-button diverter for seamless switching between shower head and tub spout functions. Please note, the valve is sold separately and requires the Multi-Choice Universal Rough Valve body. It is specifically designed for use with the Multi-Choice Universal Rough Valve body, model R10300 UNWS. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your shower system. What we like? If you're aiming for a timeless look and appreciate the convenience of a push-button diverter, this trim kit is an excellent choice. The inclusion of a touch-clean shower head is a bonus for easy maintenance. This is a great option if you like a traditional style with modern practical features. What people say. Easy to install. Looks great. Works perfectly. Number 2. Delta Faucet RP77739 Repair Kit. This is the RP77739 Repair Kit from Delta Faucet. It's designed for single-handle faucets with specific ball valves and knob handles. This kit is perfect for repairing leaks in various faucets around your home. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, tub, or shower, it has you covered. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a complete repair. It includes essential parts like rubber seats, springs, O-rings, and even a specialized wrench. The kit features durable rubber seats and packing, along with a reliable stainless steel ball. These components ensure a long-lasting fix for your faucet. This repair kit is a great choice for contractors and maintenance professionals. It's also user-friendly for do-it-yourself owners looking to tackle faucet repairs. What we like. This is the go-to if you're dealing with leaks specifically in Delta single-handle faucets using RP212 stainless steel ball valves. It includes all the necessary components to get your faucet working like new again. If you're a professional or a DIYer who needs a precise fix for this particular valve type, this kit is essential. What people say. The Delta 600 series trim kit is a great addition to any bathroom, offering a sleek and modern look. Installation was straightforward and the trim kit fit perfectly with my existing Delta shower valve. The quality of the materials used is excellent, and the finish has held up well over time, resisting water spots and fingerprints. Number 1. Delta Faucet RP6046 Tub Shower Connector. Introducing the Delta Faucet RP6046, a genuine Delta repair part designed for your single-handle tub and shower. This connector is specifically made for single-handle tub shower systems. It ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. It includes a convenient hole for a push-button diverter. This allows for easy installation and functionality. Trust in the quality of genuine Delta parts for your repairs. This ensures durability and optimal function. Designed for straightforward installation, this part will have your shower system working like new in no time. This product is manufactured in China, adhering to Delta's high standards for quality and performance. What we like. If you're committed to using genuine Delta parts for a guaranteed fit and quality, this connector and valve set is the one to consider. It's specifically designed for single-handle tub shower applications and includes the necessary hole for a push-button diverter. Choose this if you prioritize authenticity and seamless integration with your Delta system. What people say. The Delta 600 series trim kit is a great choice for updating your shower. It features a modern design that will complement any bathroom decor. The kit includes all the necessary hardware for easy installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.